Hey everyone, welcome back to ProTech Marketing. This is your Shure ANX4 licensing tutorial. Let's get started. Step one is to create a Shure Cloud account. This is the same account that you would use for your partner shop, your SAI, tech portal. If you already have one, you're set. If not, go to cloud.shure.com/welcome. Here you're going to input your information to create a Shure Cloud account. Once you have created your Shure account, you can then log in to the cloud. Select sign in. Neil's going to put in his credentials here. Once they have verified that, you will move on to step two, which is where you're going to name your organization. In here, you're going to select organization settings, edit, create a name, something simple, something easy. From there, it will take you to your organizational screen. Step three, you're going to create users' accounts within that organization. You're going to click Invite Users, enter that user info. The invitees will receive an email asking them to join the organization. At this point, you will have an admin account as well as user accounts. Step four, let's add some devices. First, you'll select the apps on the left, then select Device Management. Once this screen opens, you will add devices. Once you have selected Add Devices, a screen will open up allowing you to add devices in three different ways. The first two are if the device is physically not with you. If you have your device on your network, you're going to click Scan Local Networks. If not, you can add the MAC address and the serial number manually to search for the device. Once it has found your device, you can then claim that device. Once your device is found in your scan, click Done. The next screen is going to give you the option to select the found devices. We're obviously working with the ANX4, so we're going to select the ANX4. Once I select that, on the right side of the screen, the Properties tab will allow you to rename that device. You can update it, tags, so on and so forth. Once you've named it, go ahead and click Done. And now we're on to step five, adding licenses. On the home page, you will select licenses from the left and then click Add Licenses via claim code. This is going to prompt you to open a screen where you will input personal information. This only happens once. As you can see, we have a new member of the team, Velvet Jones. Once your information is entered, you should receive an email with a claim code. Hit Submit. And from there, the process registration should be finished. You want to look for the success. You can now add licenses on your screen. Click OK, add licenses via claim code. This is going to bring up a screen where you will enter the claim code from your email. Once you have copy and pasted it in there, select Next, Agree, select Next. From here, it's going to show you what is available. You want to add those licenses to your user group that you created. Once you have selected Added Licenses, select Done. You will then open up your user group where you transferred your licenses to, and it should show you how many licenses you have in there. Let's move on to step 6. Associating licenses. Go to the licenses on the left, then double-click the organization that the licenses are assigned to. Once opened, you should see the available licenses. For a new device, you must click Activate Devices in the upper right-hand corner. Select the desired device or devices. You must have internet for this to work. Choose Devices. If you do not see your device, it could be that you're offline or you might need to add the device to the Shure Cloud. Once you choose your device, you're going to select the number of channels you want to activate. Click Next. Those channels will then be activated. This could take a couple of minutes. Your device will reboot. Once it's done rebooting, you should see the number of channels that you have activated. Once you refresh your screen, you will see your updated licensing info.